I just got laid off about an hour ago. I cried for a while, and I think the hard
Are you a person that is currently overturning your head? What could you have done better to prevent yourself from being laid off? Please stop that at this very moment. It was never you. It was never all of the hard work that you did. It was never anything that was done that was a reflection of you and your hard work that you did at a company. It is simply the job market and a lot of corporate restructuring is going on right now. And I don't want you to internalize that to be a reflection of you. Now, obviously, it's gonna hurt. Obviously, you put a lot of time and effort in at those jobs and companies, and I wanted you to know that we can take that experience and help turn it into a win for you and a comeback season for you. So, if you're ready for our outplacement services, Legacy Career LLC is here to help you. We're not just going to give you a one size fits all service. We're going to give you multiple options in this service offering in order to help you land you your next job to where it can now be your comeback season. Not only will we be providing an optimized resume and cover letter that will get the hiring managers and recruiters' attention, you will also get curated jobs sent weekly to you based off your industry and job field sector. You will also get access to one-on-one interview prep sessions with an interview executive, me and my team, in order to help you land your jobs quicker and easier, help showcase what your strengths and weaknesses are so you can fix them and work on them and make sure that you can land a job and a salary range that you can love. I want you to know just one specific point. This is never meant for your downfall. This is only your comeback season. So if you need anything else, please let me know because I'm ready to help you elevate your career and be a part of your comeback season. Peace.